Bye. Gracias.
You listen to the new album?
Oh. Hey, welcome back to my channel. I hope you like the new studio that I built from scratch. It was sponsored by Black Cloth I found in my garage. .org. Lots of sponsors, lots of things happening on this channel. You better be ready. You better smash that like button. 2024, things are changing. Ooh, I have got so many machines to go through, and if one of them happens to be one that you have, hey, grab a drink of your choice and sit down and relax and watch the show. I have an addiction. I don't know why, but I can't pass up sewing machines that are sitting out at the swap meet from the Midwest. So call them flea markets for whatever reason. And sometimes you do catch fleas. Yeah, I was sitting on a table. I had to buy it. I didn't plug it in. The guy had to get a generator out to get power. I'm like, I'll just buy it. I don't care. And I've done this way too often, so I have a bunch of machines to go through and take a look at and clean. But this is a Singer Heavy Duty 4423. And so I have a friend, and we were Facebook friends. Why am I going into a story that no one cares about? So anyway, I have a friend who emailed me. He's like, hey, don't you like sewing machines? Don't you have sewing machines? I need a sewing machine. You want to sell me a sewing machine? I was like, yeah, you know what? I might have one or two sewing machines lying around somewhere. So I bought this used. I have a feeling the previous owner likes to smoke a little wacky tobacco, which, you know, hey, good for you. There's a lot of stickers. Oh my God. There is like, actually you cannot open the machine to oil it from underneath because there's stickers on the seam. And that kind of worries me. That I mean, if you can't break the seam to get underneath, then the, has this ever been oiled? I don't know. The handle feels a little tight. That might be normal. I don't know. I've never used this machine. Let's see where we're at with this. Is there a plug somewhere? Okay, we'll turn it on back here. Light comes on. That's a good sign. I like these kind of machines, especially for beginners. It's no nonsense. Here's your stitches. Here's the stitch length. Here's the stitch width. There's a tension knob. The needle position if you want to sew to the left, keep this needle in the center, keep the, you know, it's just knobs. You just, I have a few computerized sewing machines, and God help me if one of the electronics go bad. I'm not an electronics engineer. And if you have one of those machines, you ever take it to a repair shop, they'll be like, wow, I got to order. This is just give me $900. I'll find you a replacement motherboard. Anyway, this thing is just stitches, stitch length. And for your viewing pleasure, I will just do this way. Let's see where we're at. It's a good idea to use a different color thread on the top and the bottom. That way when you're testing the machine out, you know where the bottom thread ended up and where the top thread ended up. You can start somewhere, but I didn't see any spool caps, which would be nice to help with the thread. There are some little accessories. I'm gonna look into those later. I don't know, I'll just hold it with my fingers. Let's see where we're at. Hey! Oh wow, look at that. Oh! Hey-oh! Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this... Ooh, a little bit of knocking right there. It's all right. Dude, this machine works great. How is that? Let's see, is there a blade in the blade cutter? Nope. Let's put it up here. Okay, so here's the thing. I'm you know, even if he wasn't a friend, I'm not gonna like. I don't like selling or gifting a machine. Just like, here you go, it works. I'm still going to. I got to get in and oil it and look inside and see if it needs a cleaning, which is what we're going to do today on the Singer Heavyweight 443 machine. I'll see if I can get rid of. I mean, it's cool. Very artistic, drawing on it, placing stickers everywhere, but that's Sugar Life, Myrtle Beach, which for some reason now I want to experience Sugar Life in Myrtle Beach. But I'm going to get a heat gun and see if I can just kind of heat the stickers and peel them back. I know rubbing alcohol kind of works too, but I want just a lot of rubbing alcohol to get all these stickers off. So I'm sorry with the heat gun. Honey, can I use your hair dryer, blow dryer, so I can work on this machine, honey? Oh, I don't have anybody. I'll get my heat gun and I'll loosen the stickers first, and then we can get into this machine. Let's do the thing. Start it. It's kind of like warm air. Okay. So obviously the outside is plastic. No, mess up the plastic. Almost feels too hot, but if I'm going like this, I suppose. First sticker to remove, El Blunto. Okay. This is a lot easier than I thought, and a lot more satisfying than I thought it would be to peel a sticker. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I think I need to save El Blunto. Let me know in the comments if you're as bad as I am, where someone's like, "Hey, you got a machine to sell?" And I've got so many sewing machines. Like, yeah, I need to start getting rid of my sewing machines. And then when you start messing with the machine, I kind of want to keep this. This is actually, I can't believe it. It's only like $210 on Amazon. I don't know how they made a solid metal machine. There's plastic in it, you know. There's there's like this top layer of steel, metal, and it's like that thin. But a lot of it is metal. Oh boy. Okay, this is gonna take a while. Let's take a break and cut to my sponsors. I don't have any sponsors. All right, well, I'll be back in. Whoop! I just got started, but this is a pain in the butt. This is like just the paper and the glue left from whatever was peeled here. These little guys, I don't know. There's a box with like 100 blades. It's not very expensive. It's a plastic scraper, because the metal ones, you use a metal scraper. You use a metal scraper, and it you make some damage. This is plastic. Check this out. I gotta heat it up again and it's cooled a little bit. I have it on a low setting, but it's hot, but it's low. And I think I like it because you got to really get up to the temperature to start removing the label. And I have done some damage. If the temperature's too high, I will just start melting everything. Yeah, that's pretty good. I like that. Okay, for reals, I am saving this. Sugar Life. I think it's a snow cone riding a donut. I don't know what that is. I'm saving this. This is going to be restuck somewhere because that's kick-ass. Don't really care for El Blunto. Love never felt so good. Oh, Michael would have kept us entertained for years. It's the sugar life. Yeah, sugar life. Sugar life never felt so good. Myrtle Beach sugar life never felt so good. You know, all these stickers. You know what else I found? Removing stickers. Hello. They covered up a lot of the screws for getting into the machine to clean it and oil it. So that's got to say something for the machine. I mean, it looks like it's been used a lot and it still works. And how long have those stickers been on? Because they didn't, no one's opened this to clean it. So, fun fact, the channel's name is called Craftaculous because I thought I was gonna make stuff, you know, like cosplay, props, 3D printing, swords and stuff from games. I thought I was gonna just teach myself how to be a crafty artist, and then I go on YouTube and it's like, hey, the Craftsman channel, and I look at his channel, it's like, why bother? That guy's a freaking genius, like, so awesome. And he's got a cool puppet. Yeah, I see all these YouTubers and it's like, I don't know. I started with sewing machines. I'm gonna keep doing sewing machines until I get inspired to do a really good craft. And then if it's amazing to me, I will video it and share it. You know what, since there's gonna be no audio, that goes sailing. No. So, quick note. I like using Windex because a long time ago I was using rubbing alcohol, like let's say, like right here, and the rubbing alcohol took off the lettering on something, and it was like a nice, I think it was a synthesizer. And it was nice. So, for stuff that doesn't have lettering, it's just like plain plastic, I will use rubbing alcohol. But then for stuff that I want to be a little cautious of, I use Windex, which probably could remove decals and you know, lettering, but it's a little safer. Rubbing alcohol might actually just rub that out. That's all. Now watch my buddy say, "Oh, it's a cool machine, but you know, I like blunts. Be nice if it had some stickers. I like blunts and sugar." Am I proud of myself? Yes. I can't believe the hard work pays off. Isn't that weird? I did something risky. I used the rubbing alcohol where they had drawn over the Singer, wherever that was. It worked, but you know, it could have taken off the... Okay, we might have one of my most satisfying moments doing this kind of stuff. I don't know, this almost seems like they never took off the protective cover. Should I take it off? Should I take it off? Could you feel that? Could you feel that? Okay, I didn't mean to make it creepy. Look at that. Here is a rubbing alcohol Windex glue rag. Hey, just a friendly reminder. Rubbing alcohol, Windex, cleaners, fumes. Have a well-ventilated area. Wear a respirator. Do all the stuff that you're supposed to do. Do your research, and don't do anything I do, because I do everything wrong. I don't know if there was something that's supposed to be in there, or this is an option when you put maybe like a second spool. This probably might be like an option for a second spool, however. Oh wait, oh. Okay. Oh, he's gonna love this machine. Oh man. Okay, I'm gonna tell him it's broken, and I'll give him one of my white machines. Just get one of these, buddy. Yeah, the Singer Heavy Duty. It's just Just didn't make it. Didn't make it through the first phase. No, I'm just kidding. You know, if I ever needed a Singer Heavy Duty, $210, and then that's now. Whenever they do their Black Friday sales, who knows? But we, you know, is it a great machine? We're not sure yet. We still have to kind of open it up, take a look inside. This is like a sticky booger, and I can't get it off. Damn it. Okay, so I'll do one last try here. One last try, whatever this is. I think this is like embedded into the plastic, whatever this is. I don't think this is. No, it's not coming out. Okay, but look at it. Oh, the booger's back. Get off of me. God. Look at that. Look at this. Look at the top. Look at the back. It's late, tired. Tomorrow, I'm going to look inside, see how dirty it is. Either way I want to open it because I should clean it for my buddy. And then here's a fun fact. Clean the machine with a spool on it. So now the spool is just covered with stuff, this sticky glue stuff. And then if I were to use this thread to test the machine, yeah, it would just get inside anyway. So if you have a little glue on plastic, you know, you buy something that's got a little bit of glue and you don't care about getting dirty. You know, the oils from our skin, you can just rub oil off, and it'll rub off eventually, and then there's no scratches because you use your skin. But you know, I don't know what kind of germaphobes you are. I grew up in the 80s, so we ate mud, and it was fun. So tomorrow we'll take this apart, and we'll take a look inside.